Hi, I'm Andy from Plug-in Stations. Today we're going to be talking about the Ohme Home Pro. The Ohme Home Pro is a domestic 7.4 kilowatt charger. It works very well with energy providers to give us the cheapest possible rates throughout the night. The Ohme Home Pro comes with a 5-meter tethered lead. It also comes with an upgrade 8-meter tethered lead as well. The LCD screen is really useful. It allows us to use the functions of the app directly from the screen without getting your phone out. A good point to mention on the screen is that when you're not with the charger, you can use the app on your phone, and that will allow you to lock the buttons of the screen so no one can come up and adjust your charging schedules. The Ohme Home Pro looks automatically for the cheapest possible rates. So when we're setting up the charge point with the customer, we would ask the customer to give us their energy details. If they've got a variable or fixed tariff, if they've got a special EV tariff, we would input that during the setting up process of the Ohme, and then the Ohme will automatically look for the cheapest rates to charge, which I think is really cool. So it gives you the best rates throughout the time. The Ohme Home Pro comes with a great design. From a customer's point of view, it blends very nicely with the house. It comes with a U-hook, allowing us to wrap the cable around, giving it a neat look when the car's not plugged in. It also comes with a holster, so you can plug the holster in, and it will just mean that the charge point looks neat on the side of the house. From an installer's point of view, it comes fully sealed from manufacturer, meaning we never have to go into the actual unit itself, gland into it. All we need to do is connect into a whisker connection box, giving us it's a time-saving tool for installers, and I think it just makes it really easy for us to go through. The commissioning side of the unit is really simple, and it's just clean for us to install. When we're going through and we're commissioning the Ohme Home Pro, it gives us a QR code that we scan on the customer's phone, and then we set up the parameters with the customer, energy provider, the vehicle that they've got, because it also links to the vehicle, their charging schedules, when they want to be able to charge their car, and it's really as simple as that. It's fully commissioned at that point. Customers will need to make sure that they have 3G, 4G in and around the charger. But I actually think that's a USP for the Ohme. It means that customers that don't have Wi-Fi, customers that might not have Wi-Fi at the end of their driveway, they might have Wi-Fi in the house, it allows those customers to be able to install the Ohme and use the app features without needing to connect to Wi-Fi. I've noticed in the past with other manufacturers that it becomes a little bit more difficult with connecting to Wi-Fi. Then you have to do other things for the Wi-Fi to be able to reach the charger. With the Ohme, it's super simple because it's got 3G, 4G. The Ohme app is super simple to use. When you plug your vehicle in when you come home from work, you'll be able to look at your last charging session to see how that went, if it was clean charging the whole time. It will allow you to look at the estimated cost of that charge, so how much it's cost you in electric. It also gives you the cost per mile and the estimated total savings versus a standard tariff. I think the information that they give you on the app is really cool. It doesn't just give you information on the Ohme itself, it also gives you information on your energy tariff and your vehicle, because it all links together, and I just think that's clean. If you're looking to get an EV car charger, I would definitely recommend the Ohme Home Pro. The reason why I recommend the Ohme Home Pro is it comes with a 5 or 8 meter tethered lead, so you will be able to charge your car wherever, even if you've got a bigger driveway. It links well with Octopus and Ovo to give you the best possible rates automatically. It's super easy to set up, super easy to use. It has an LCD screen that will allow you to use the charge point from the screen. And I think overall, they have a low failure rate. So for me, that is a good charge point to use. It's reliable on your house.